Above all, I would like to thank the Lord Almighty for His faithfulness in our marriage, that we were able to reach this 40 years and counting.
I can't see what's in front of me. Still I will try.
40 years run so fast. Thank you, God, for the gift of wife. You're so amazing. Yeah, I can recall we were still student, but we were ready to face this.
Heart that keeps on going, steady love that keeps on hoping. Lead me on. Steady grace that keeps.
I praise and thank the Lord. This is the moment nga ginahulat mo gid pa mais. I'm so thankful nga nag-abot na gid ang time nga ang desire sa heart mo ginahatag gid ni Lord nga maka renewal o baw ka mo ni Papa mo.
And the wind is wild. You'll never leave me.
I vow to love you more and more until our remaining years and beyond. Happy anniversary! I love you, Papa Bob.
There is a coming dawn.
So, I look forward to another 40 or 80 years. Amid the giants and the Goliaths, we'll be together forever and ever. I love you so very much, Mama.
Steady heart that keeps on going, steady love that keeps on holding. Lead me on.
I hope to inspire you and to love you more, and I hope also that we're going to celebrate more years of your wedding anniversary in the years to come.
Mama, Papa, happy 40th wedding anniversary. Enjoy, and I pray to the Lord na damo pagin road trips nga matabo, and I pray for good health sa inyo kay para makalagaw pa ta, makaserve pa ta sa Ginoo.
Congratulations to both of you. Happy 40th wedding anniversary. Hope and pray to that God will give you more life and long-lasting happiness.
We were board mates in Cebu when we were schooling.
Ayun, pabalik na ako sa Cebu. Nung nakita ko siya first time, pumasok ako sa apartment, lumabas na ng kwarto, nagkatinginan kami, pumasok sa kwarto, siguro nahiya. Ako walang hiya.
Nagbarkada kami, hindi ko nga alam kung paano kami nagkaon. Basta ng mutual understanding na pasagot ko siya. And so thankful na we know each other more because we live in one place.
Itong awiting ito ay alay sa'yo, sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka, tumanda.
Nagka-problema kami sa amon mga grades. Pareho kami nag-medicine. Grabe struggle namon sa amon grades. Hasta nga nagka-problema kami. Tapos nag-inom kami duha. Mga Christian ko nag-inom. Until such time nga, dito na siya nakasiling sa ako niya. Nga na-inlove sa akon.
Kasama kang tumanda, oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman. Mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001.
Hanggat yun, nagkatuluyan na kami. Yun. Ngayon, another summer na naman. Ayun, nabuntis na. Ngayon, kami na eh. Summer na, uwian na eh. Pabalik na naman ng school. Yun, nagpakasal kami.
At nangangako sa'yo, simula sa araw na to, iaalay sa'yong buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang, kasama ka.
I really want to live the remaining years of our lives together, happy, healthy, and we enjoy each other. I love you, Papa Bot. See you later.
Life is wonderfully beautiful.
Yung number 40 in the Bible was so common. Either 40 days or 40 years. Okay? So Papa Bot and Mama is in your 40th wedding anniversary. Maybe God is preparing a blessing or ministry para sa inyo.
And the story of my life is all about you. For if you feel the cold winds blowing through your night, I will shelter you and forever here and chase your fears away.
This is Papa Bot of all nations. Thank you for your love and everything. I love you so much.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand like God planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like on this day. On this day.